Hi everybody, it's Lasha, and this is for Trevor's Infinite Horizons. Come on, let it rain, let it rain on me, let it rain, now let it rain, let it rain on me. It should be easy to be kind, and I want my peace of mind, and I There you go, Trev. There's some more horizons for you. Whoa. Indian summer, I believe. Da 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 da. Maybe a long shot, and maybe lonely down the line. Life's got some reason, and I wanna look up the sky. Okay, well, it's kind of late, but I tried to get you. Oh, there's some thunderstorms. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000, six 1,000. Okay, if I hear anything else, I'll come running out. Oh, look at that. There you go, Trevor. Trevor's Infinite Horizons.